Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by grabbing the installer so you can place Chrome on your desktop quickly. Open Edge now and search for Google Chrome, then pick the installer that matches Windows 11, usually 64-bit. Once downloaded, make sure the file appears in Downloads or on your desktop. This saves a step later. If your browser asks for permission to run, accept it so the installer can launch. These first actions get you right into installation without delays or extra setup. You now run the installer to put Chrome on your PC and prepare a desktop icon. Double-click the setup file and allow it to make changes when prompted. This lets the installer copy files and register Chrome with Windows. Once installation finishes, check the Start menu for Google Chrome. Right-click the app, choose More, then open File Location to make a desktop shortcut if one wasn't created. Doing this ensures you can launch Chrome directly from your desktop with one click. Finish by making Chrome easy to access and confirming it works. Right-click the desktop icon and choose Pin to Taskbar if you want one-click access. Open Chrome to verify it launches and sign into your Google account to sync bookmarks and extensions. If Chrome fails to start, restart Windows first, because a simple reboot resolves many permission locks. If that doesn't help, run the installer again or uninstall and reinstall. This clears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.